Hi everybody, Dave Dowling here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'm in the extended care place visiting my mom here who's 93 years old, blind, has dementia, and hallucinates all the time from Charles Bonnet syndrome. And how are you doing today, Mom?
I'm doing okay.
It's the end of winter here. It's a real nice spring day out. And did you ever have problems with winter when you were a kid, Mom? Did you ever have blizzards or anything like that you experienced?
Oh, did I ever? I got lost in a blizzard one time. It started when I was halfway to school. I looked around, it started getting kind of dark. And I looked around, and here was that darn blizzard coming at me. And it rolled along on the ground. It was about the height of a bungalow. And it rolled along from the south to the north, I believe, yeah. Thank you. And I thought it was getting kind of dark. And I looked around, and yeah, it was getting dark all right because there was a blizzard coming at me.
How old were you when that happened?
I was 12. I was dressed warm, though.
Well, that's good.
And I plowed through the snow. I didn't know where I was going, but I found myself in a slough where Dad had put the rocks that he picked. And I knew by the placement of the rocks which way to go. So I went home, and Dad was walking back and forth with a lantern. He was all upset. And I said, where's Mother? And he said, oh, he was upset. He says, she went out to look for you in the blizzard. He says, I tried to stop her, but she wouldn't stop. And he had to stay and with the lantern and keep walking back and forth so that we would see the lantern.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh my. I'll never forget that blizzard coming at me. It was about the height of a bungalow, and it was a total white cloud rolling on the ground.
Wow.
Oh my Lord.
Well, it's a good thing you found your way back home by the landmarks you knew.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Well, thanks for sharing that story with us, Mom. Do you want to wave bye to everybody?
Okay, bye everybody.